Hi, Carolyn. I've been fooling around with this Teams thing and trying to get it to work, and it's kind of giving me some trouble. But I wanted to show you something. One of the ways, if you do create a meeting and you can't get that link, or people when they get the invite they don't see the link. One of the things you can do is go to a meeting like on my calendar here, the second interview. It's not for another few hours, but if I open it up, I can join it even though nobody else is in there yet. And I can also copy this link if it exists in there. If the link's actually there, you can just copy that link, or copy. I can just select and copy all of this and paste that into an email to everybody, or to the people who are saying that they don't have the link. However, if that doesn't work, if that link isn't there, you can always go up here and go ahead and join the meeting. You can leave it. You can, once a meeting's created, you're supposed to be able to join it even days early if you need to go in there. So I'm going to click join, and it's telling me, okay, go ahead and join now. And so it's going to join the meeting, and I'm just going to, right now it's not able to use my webcam because I'm using it to record this video, but I'm going to look at the participants by clicking the participants icon there. And right next to this field where you would invite people, there's a little link to copy or the join info. So if I click that, it says copy to clipboard. So I just click the little link there. And now what I can do is I can go to say an email. This is just Word, and paste, and it will paste all that same information there. So that's one way you can get the join link. You could just create a brand new email and just blast it out to everybody. It says, hey, if you didn't get the join link, you can click this link below and get it. So that's one way to do it. I actually tried to create a meeting and then join it early, and for whatever reason, for that one meeting, every other meeting on my calendar, if I just open it up, whether it's in the past or the future, I can join it. But for whatever reason, it would not let me join this one. And I don't know if it's because I didn't have any other people in the meeting invited with me, but I didn't want to invite a whole bunch of people to a meeting that wasn't going to exist. So at any rate, that's one way to do it. So if people are having trouble seeing the link, and once the meeting starts and you're already in the meeting, you can also do it too. Again, just go to the participants, click this little link. It will say copy to clipboard, click like that, and then you can jump to Outlook and email them. Just paste that into an email and send it to them, and then they can join that way. So that's one way to do it. Hopefully this will solve your problem when that happens again. Hopefully it won't keep happening. I've been doing some research and I can't find anywhere where people are having this trouble, but I've seen it before. I've seen Maria in our office has created a meeting and it didn't put the link in. So I'm not sure if it's just an intermittent thing or what. But at any rate, I will hang up now and see what see if that works.